Welcome to AICT MS Word Lesson 6 Tables. In the previous lesson, we have learned how to make tables in Word. So in this lesson also, we learn more about tables in Word. Right. So when you are talking about tables in Word, there are a lot of things. So here we will learn something from this lesson. So we can go to, for example, in the previous lesson, I told we can click insert and we can click table, right? And here we can define the columns and the rows we learned, right? And here you can see the table design. If you want, you can take straight away, you can take a table design however you want, right? I will undo that one. If you want, I'll make some more columns. I'll go to insert table, right? So here you can select a table design, some plain tables here. It's a grid tables, list tables. So we can define tables, and I told we can draw tables also. Insert table, draw table, right? So here I will simply also here there's a table, right? Right, here in the layout we will learn about the layout. Here we can split the cells. If you want, you can split the cells, merge the cells, field C merge. Right, so just think if you want to make this one as a one column, these three, right? I'll select all these things and click merge cells. Yeah. Right. If you want to select these two and merge, click merge cells. That is a merge cell. If you want again, you can split cell. Here, click split cells. Click split cells. Number of columns, right? So I will make a number of columns 3 and number of rows also 3. So that will be split but inside this shell. Right here I will, if you want to split this one into 6, right? So split cells, I will make it 2 and 3. 2 and 3, yeah. Like that we can split, we can merge, you can highlight those things and you can click merge cells. Right, you can draw, right? So we can draw these tables also additionally, right? You can define the height here. You can select this one. So the height of this column, height of this column here, you can reduce only for that one. Here you can select this one. So that is the height of this one. Right, the width of the column here. Like that also you can define. You can find out, right, each and every table's width and height you can define. You can use the draw table, raise table, can be raised also here. Just click and highlight that one. It can be raised, right? If you want additional, I will undo that one. I will go to delete the table here. I can delete table. Again, I will go to insert table. Right here, if you want to delete a row, here there are 4 rows. You can click and click delete row. So the selected row will be deleted. Same like column here in the middle column, delete column. If you want to add another insert above, this thing I will put A, right? So to identify insert above, you will get an insert. Insert below. Yeah, I will put here. Anywhere, right? A, B, anything, right? So I will make it like this, A, B, insert below. Insert, here also I will put A, right? Here I will select here, insert left. Insert, I will select B and insert right. So like that you can insert also, right? Right. So there are a lot of things. Now we'll do exercise. So from that exercise also we can learn more, right? So this is the table we are going to make it out, right? So we do the page setup, that will be fine. As usual, I will go to layout and the margins, last custom settings, right? I will define that one. I will go to the paper size. I will make it A4, right? So here we can draw a table or we can make it a column. So we will make it like this, right? It's some you can use different ideas. We will define the rows first here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rows. Right, 6 rows, 1 column. We will make a table with 6 rows, 1 column. So I'll go to insert, right? So I will make it something like this initial, right? And I will drag and enlarge the size, right? I will keep one by one, we will row, right? So now we will make it out the first row. We will make it out the first row, right? I will reduce this size a little bit. And I will go to the draw table. Oh, you can split and adjust also, right? So what I will do, I will go to the layout. I will split this one. I will split this 1 to 3 columns, right? 1 row. Right? Now here you can adjust it. What you can see the width also, individual width 3.6, right? We'll undo that one. I'll bring it here, bring it here, undo, right? So here you can measure the width from the ruler here, from one side, right, 5, 6. From 7 it will be 6, right? Now we will make the layout first, right? The second one, little bit larger than the above one, right? Right. The third one, there are a lot of things we have to split, right? So what we do, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll split into 5 first. We'll see, right? So I will select this one. Split shells, I will split this one into 5 columns first, right? 5 columns. Again, right, what we do, I will split these to again two rows, 1 column. You can take your own idea also, right, like this. Okay. You can click here and drag. Okay. Now we split this upper 1 to 3 columns, 2 rows. So here click, make sure this cursor is inside this box, split shells, 3 columns and 2 rows. Okay. Now you can adjust this thing, right? Adjust the size, right? I'll come more down. Right, this one also I'll adjust, right? See the size approximately, right? Some more, right? Right, now what I do, I will make these 2 rows the same size. So select, highlight those 2 rows and click distribute rows equally, right? Distribute columns equally, distribute rows equally. I'll select these 3 and see. Right. Now You can select these two also, distribute columns equally, right? That's equal, right? This is the layout, right? Now the last one, right? Additionally, over here you have a lot, right? We split this one, so we can delete those additional clicks here. Delete rows. Here, layout, delete rows, delete rows, right? Now I will enlarge this one a little bit. Okay, this will be fine. I think so. Right, now we draw the things. Right, now I will take the layout, table design, layout, draw table. After clicking the draw table, go to the design and select a border style. You can select a border style. I'll select this one. Right. So I will select this one, and the border color, that's up to you. You can define any color, right? No worries, right? I will select this line, right? And approximately I will draw over there. Yes, you can click also all together, right? Right, inside also outline is fine. Make sure everything is correct. No, not that one. I have to delete that one. I will make this one, and again I will select the border style, and I'll go to normal, and I will make this one back. Again, border style. Right, the color. Right. Mostly the borders are okay here. This we will make these lines, right? So again, I will select a border style, border color. Not that one, right? I will undo that one. Yeah, we should have one thing here. No, right. That's also fine. Here I got that one. So what I do, I will press the escape key and go to layout. I will select insert row below. So here also we need, right? And I will select that one, and I'll click merge cells. Right. So like that you can make it out, and again I will go to table design, layout, draw table, table design, a border, table design, border, pen color, thickness. Can't redraw it over the thickness one. Right, so I will take the raise tool, and I will try to trace, right, and trace, and again the pen color. Okay, fine. Now again the border. You can have it something like this, right? Okay, fine. Right, now we can make it out the text. We can make it out the text, right? Here also at the bottom we forgot that one. I will select pen color. Right. Right. Now we can type the things. So on the top row, we will make it all the. I will press the escape key in the keyboard and I will merge. And I'll go to layout and I'll click center. Right. So Vellavatha, Colombo 6. Computer Learning Center. You can define a font color also, font size, font color. Right. I'll select and I will go home, bold. Right. The color is up to you, right? Same like here also. I will go to layout and align this one first, bold and color. Right, computer courses. Computer courses, press the enter key and we have to insert some symbols. Right. So I will go to insert symbols. You can click more symbols. Click on more symbols will be loaded. And here you can select a hand sign, anything, right? Yeah, it's a right pen, a hand sign with a pen. Right, click insert. Here you will get that one. You can select that one and you can copy that one we need. So click copy, right, and paste and type the course MS Office. MS Office. And you can remove the bold for these texts. Next again, paste it. Here paste, we have copied. MS Windows, MS Visual Studio, paste it. MS, right, I will highlight those and I will remove the bold. Okay, in this next row, press the enter key. We can type quickly. Web designing, right? Web designing, assembling. Again, I'll go to insert, symbol, more symbol. It's a timing glass, right? It's a symbol, a timing glass. Sand glass, we call sand glass. And insert and close. Where is it? Here. Press the enter key. Copy that one. Copy, paste. Oh, now I'm copying it with the enter key, it's copied. Then I'll select copy, paste, web designing, files. We have to see PC assembling, networking. PC assembling, paste, networking, end of Photoshop, right. I think that row is fine. That's all. Right. Now here this side, see here, click here. Here also we have to put a symbol. We'll go to insert, symbol, more symbol. It's insert that one and close. Right, any symbol like cheap and efficient. I will try first. Cheap and efficient. And now highlight those things. If you want, you can bold it and give a color and go to the layout, and here you have the text direction. Click the text direction, right, and again click, right, and make it center, complete center. So the next one also recognized. So go to insert, symbol, more symbol, right, close. Recognized, highlight, bold, this one, go to layout, text direction, right, and make it center. This is upward, other side, huh? Yeah. Right, here we have used the shapes, right, actually it's shapes. So go to insert, shape, what is that actually? Here, this one, it's called sun. Under the basic shapes, draw a shape, right, bring it here, and you can change the shape fill, you can make it no fill. Now you can go to copy and paste. We'll undo that one, right? Click on the shell and paste, right? Bring it and here select that one and paste it and move it. Click inside the cell, right? Better to click each and every cell and paste. Paste. Click inside that one and paste it. Right, that's fine. Now that also shape here also. Again, we have to split this one, right, into three. Select this one. Go to layout, split shells, column, 3 columns, and right. So adjust something like this, and this side adjust something like this. Okay. Insert, shape, arrow. And you can change that arrow. Go to copy, paste, and select the paste there, and move here, and you can flip it. Go to shape format, rotate, flip horizontally. And now go to insert another word art. Make sure this cursor is inside that shell, so it's easy. Go to word art, select a word art, type all in one, right? Reduce the font size if the room space is not enough. Right, I will reduce the font size and go to shape format, text effects, transformation. Right, however you want, it's up to you, like all in one. Now click on this last one, layout, center, change the font and type. It's actually monotype. Monotype Cursiva. The font size I will make it here, bold, color. Right, fine. So we made it of most things same as in the PDF. Now you can insert a footer. We learned this one, give it, set the file, create password. We do all these things. Go to insert, footer. I'll click this one, I'll type CLC and I'll press the tab key, date and time. I'll select a format and press OK and close the footer. I'll get to file, info. We already learned click product document, encrypt with password. Right, you can give a password, but don't forget, I will say give a simple password 123456 and re-enter the password to confirm the same. Right, now go to file and save it as usual in your folder carefully. Say it's a exercise, 10. It's a exercise 10. Put your name, right? I put AICT EX10 and save it in your folder correctly. That is very important.